Park Hill community. This is Dr. Mike Kimbrel, the superintendent in the Park Hill School District, coming to you again with another edition of Mike on the Mic. This is the second annual edition going into our holiday break where I'm at Lakeview Middle School. We're going to go in and just talk to some staff and students, ask them some questions, just see how their semester's going, maybe ask them some crazy questions, just have some fun. I hope you enjoy. Let's go.
Mike on the Mic.
I'm starting right here with Matt Galley, who is like one of our stars. Tell me about what you are going to be doing over break, what gives you joy, and what you're looking forward to.
Being over break, being off for 2 weeks, one, and spending time with my family is most important.
Two awesome things. We're going to be off for 2 weeks, and he's going to be spending time with his family. I hope you are too. Who am I? I'm Dr. Kimbrel.
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who that is? Neither do I. I'm the superintendent, which means that I oversee all the schools in Park Hill. Would you rather never play video games again or never use your favorite mobile app again?
Mobile app.
Which one would you not use?
I don't have many.
Oh, you don't have many? What's your favorite, though?
I'm not even joking. Probably the Desmos graphic calculator because it's like one of the only things that I have on there.
Like you're speaking right to my heart. No, okay, what do I do?
So then you're gonna draw the chalk pastel like down here to create a shadow.
Okay, I'm drawing like this to create a shadow,
And
right?
then you're gonna take your finger. It's
My
gonna
finger?
It's gonna look dirty like this.
Like, it's already looking dirty like
Yeah,
this.
so
Okay.
you're gonna smooth it in.
All right, smooth it in. All right, here we go. When does this class do the baking? Like for the.
We did baking last week.
You did like when you bake cookies and.
We baked
And really?
Yeah, we made.
When do you do like the baking cookies so that I can come for cookies? I don't know if I'm a cauliflower fan.
Have it all.
I've got my two favorite administrators right
You got
here.
that. You got that.
This is it.
Right?
Favorite.
Okay.
Dr. Early, Dr. Stucker. Dr. Early, tell me, what are you looking forward to this holiday break?
Oh my gosh, what am I not looking forward to? Movies with my family.
Tell me, how are you going to spend your break coming up?
Oh my goodness, eating.
Eating. I was just at Lakeview Middle School, and I walked into the vegetables unit, and thank you for the face.
No.
Yeah, I asked them when the baking started. True or false? A hot dog is technically a type of taco.
No, it's a hot dog.
So false?
No, it's just a hot dog. It's not it's a hot dog.
What defines a taco?
A taco.
Like what ingredient? What's the difference?
Hard shell or a tortilla?
A hard shell or a tortilla
Yeah,
makes it a taco.
I would assume so, yes.
Okay. Everybody should own a pair of Crocs. They are essential. True or false?
False.
Why?
Because you don't need Crocs. At least I don't need Crocs.
Yeah. That's right. He's got his boots on right now. Do Crocs make a style of boot?
Yes, but we don't talk about them.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Who do I have here?
I'm Beckett Solers.
Beckett. Okay, so you're watching a pig dissection.
Yeah.
Okay, what class are we in?
This is anatomy.
This is anatomy. What have you learned from the pig dissection?
We're learning about the digestive system right now in the intestines.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
And are you enjoying this?
Not really, but
No?
I mean, you got to get ready, you know? We're going to do the real dissection in a couple days. So.
Is that right?
Yeah.
We've got our pig here. I'm about to pass out. And, okay, who do I got here?
Jackson.
Jackson. All right, so tell me about what you're holding.
I'm holding a fetal pig.
You're holding a fetal pig. Like this is just a normal day in anatomy class.
Yes, sir.
All right, so, and what are you going to do with said pig?
We're gonna oh, this is gonna sound bad. We're gonna tie him down.
Is this a rodeo? Or?
We're gonna take like some string, wrap them around their extremities, their little feet, their hooves.
Yep.
So they because they normally want to cross.
Okay.
So we're just gonna tie them down so they don't cross, and then we can do our dissection.
Okay. Tell me about the best thing that's happened this semester so far.
Well, I'd probably have to say getting to know these kids and just growing these relationships with
Aren't
these
they
kids.
awesome?
It's amazing.
Yeah. Get this here. We've got. So, question: Crocs are an essential shoe for every person to own. Says the guys with the Crocs. All right, fantastic. All right, Jamal, tell me, what is your favorite thing about school so far?
Probably math and writing.
Math and writing. He says that while he's at recess throwing a football. Good. That's awesome. You ready, Jamal? You ready? All right, let's see what we got. 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Football fusion.
Who's your favorite player?
Travis Kelce.
Travis Kelce? Really?
Yeah, because he's dating Taylor Swift.
That's why he's your favorite? What about before he was dating Taylor Swift?
Still my favorite.
He was still your favorite. That's good. I'm glad you said that you stick with him through the all those times. Tell me what your favorite thing in class has been so far.
Fractions.
She just said fractions is her favorite thing in class so far. Like, just after my own heart right there, that you love your fractions. Would you rather stand out in front of the school and sing, or be up in front of the school and be in a spelling bee?
I think I'd rather do the spelling bee.
You know what? I just followed you, and then I knew what to do. That was awesome. Tell me, what are you going to do over your break?
I don't think I'm gonna go to the Nutcracker.
You're going to go to the Nutcracker. Of course you are, because we were just playing that, and you were going to go to the Nutcracker. Is that one of your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Thank you for being an awesome sport and let me play next to you.
You're welcome.
All right. All right, that's good. That was awesome.